Staycation sa isang bagong hotel sa Parañaque City starts at only 3,000 plus pesos a night lang. Let's go! Welcome sa Grand Westside Hotel dito sa Parañaque City. Ito yung kanilang superior queen room with view. Pagpasok pa lang, sasalubong sa inyo yung queen-sized bed. Open closet, safe, kettle, coffee, tea at water. At may mini ref. Ano naman yung kanilang banyo? Bagong-bago at ang gaganda ng towels. Toilet with bidet. Basic bathroom amenities. Hindi mawawala ang hair dryer. Rain at regular shower. Na may kapartner ng shampoo and conditioner with body wash. Hindi mawawala ang flat screen cable TV. Sobrang comfy ng bed nila, bagong-bago at malinis. Dito naman may work table na napaka-spacious and syempre mga outlets at phone nila. Meron rin kasamang couch na napaka-cute with this view of the pool and Manila Bay. Pag akyat nyo ng 5th floor, makikita nyo yung swimming pool sila, yung view ng Manila Bay, meron silang fitness hub na sobrang bago pa yung mga gamit, steam at sauna at syempre, function rooms for different occasions. Siguradong ma-enjoy nyo dito sa Grand Westside Hotel, kaya book na kayo ng Eat Staycation via Klook at gamitin yung codes namin para maka-discount kayo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, bye-bye!